Good morning, Jayashree. Hi, Mandar. Good morning.
Hi.
Sec-
I'm going to put my video off.
Yes. All right. Wow, Jayashree, you're the first person to join in. Very nice. Hi, good morning, Amrita and Raj. on school group and ask everyone else to join as well?
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Teacher.
Ask everyone to join. Yes, Anjali?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Jyoti. Okay, we'll start in 1 minute. Till then, you can enjoy some more of the music. All right, everyone. It's 9 o'clock. So we will start. How are you doing this morning? Would someone like to share? Amrita? Yes. Where is Raj, Amrita? I don't see Raj over there.
He woke up late now than he's drinking tea.
Okay. So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy. I start my morning by my parents and elders' blessing.
Oh, very nice. Okay, Amrita, would you like to tag someone who can share their feelings?
I tag to Srushti.
Okay, Shushti. Hi, Shushti, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, would you like to share, Shushti?
Yes. Feeling happy. And sad also.
Oh, what happened? Would you like to share? Shushti, I can't hear you. Can you come close to the mic, please?
Feeling well.
You're not feeling well. Oh, please take care of yourself, Shushti. We don't want you falling sick. Please eat properly. Your mother was saying, right? Okay, Shushti, you want to tag someone? Jyoti. Yes, Jyoti would like to share.
I am feeling happy and I am feeling like sleepy.
Oh, you're sleepy. Why? Didn't you sleep properly last night? Didn't you sleep early?
No,
Why? Okay, Jyoti, you can tag someone.
Misbah. I am feeling so happy because I wake up early today.
Oh, you woke up early. That's very nice, Misbah. Good job. For the last few weeks, you were waking up late, na? But today you woke up early. Nice. Okay. Everyone, now we have 2 more minutes of sharing time. Can you head to the chat and write in the chat window? Whoever wants to share, large group can share, can come off mute and share. But everyone else, You can write on the chat window, how are you feeling? Hi, Abhishek. Good morning. Abhishek, make sure you're sitting with your notebook. Yes, Jayashree, go ahead. I see you're raising hand.
I'm excited because my big brother's admission is selected in BST.
Oh, that's a very good news. Congratulations to him, Jayashree. Wish him from my side.
Okay.
Anyone else who would like to share? 1 minute to go. Vinayak, who are you sitting with? You're on mute.
Worry.
I didn't get that, Vinayak. Can you repeat?
Worry.
Okay. Who is she?
Chale.
Is that your sister?
Oh, it's worry.
That's Ishwari. Oh my God. Show. Hi, Ishwari. I'm seeing you after so long. Oh yeah, you were not wearing your specs. Hi, how are you doing, Ishwari? How is village?
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, I'll call you after class. Okay, you're back in Mumbai now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll talk to you after class. Okay. All right. It's 9:05, everyone. We will begin. I'll share my screen. If you can see my screen, let me know. Give me 5 seconds.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Faisal. Where are you? Yeah, I can see you. Hi. Okay, Misbah, can you see my screen? Okay, perfect. All right, let's start with meditation, everyone. Come on, sit in your smart positions. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale on counting. 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a prayer for yourself. Pray to God. Ask Him for His blessings to give you lots of health, lots of wisdom, lots of love. Now spread that love to everyone you know, everyone you don't know. Pray for your loved ones. Pray for their good health, their good fortune. Now think of one thing you're grateful for, one thing that makes you very happy, something that you're glad to have. Now end the meditation with thinking about your goal for today. Think what is that, something that you want to do today that will make you better, that will help you grow, that will help you improve. Think of your goal for today. See yourself doing that. How you would feel once you have achieved that, feel that. Once you're ready, rub your palms. Put it on your eyes. Open your eyes while looking in your palm. Good morning.
Morning, teacher.
Good
Feeling calm?
Yes.
Ready to start the class? Okay.
Yes.
So we will be continuing our science class from yesterday. Can Anjali come on off mute and read the objective? Anjali Malesh?
What, teacher?
Yes. Can you read the objective, please?
Objective.
Yes.
I can't see that.
You can't see the screen.
No.
Muskan, can you see the screen?
No, miss.
You guys can't. Okay, wait. I'll share my screen again.
I'm seeing that breathing without.
Okay. Now, are you able to see the screen, Anjali?
Yes, yes.
Okay, wonderful. All right. Yes. Can you read the objective for me, please?
We will be able to explain different types of nutrition in animals.
Thank you so much, Anjali. Jayashree, can you read the rules for today? What are the norms that we are going to follow throughout the class? Read the second point, please.
Participate, answer the question. Keep yourself on mute while not speaking. Raise your virtual hand to answer or ask questions.
Yes. One correction. Thank you for reading that, Jayashree. So participate is not only answering questions, but also asking questions. If you're not understanding anything, you will raise your virtual hand. And once I call upon you, you can ask. All right. So before we start with the objective, that is to explain different types of nutrition in animals, can someone tell me what is nutrition? We have already done it. Who wants to say? Please raise your virtual hand. Kev, can you please keep yourself on mute? Okay, 2 participants are raising hand. 3. Yes, Muskan.
Misnutrition is nutrition. मिसन्यूट्रिशन से हमारी ग्रोथ होती है, न्यूट्रिशन से हमें ताकत मिलता है और न्यूट्रिशन से हम वायरस से लड़ सकते हैं.
We can fight diseases, yes. So Muskan, that's the need for nutrition. Why nutrition is important. But what is nutrition? Nutrition क्या होता है? आपने मुझे जरूरत बताया. But nutrition होता क्या है?
Nutrition is
Okay, 5 people are raising hand, but Muskan, first you try.
okay. Nutrition is like.
Okay, open your notes and check, Muskan. Tab tak I'll give someone else a chance. Okay. Who else? Yes, Amrita, you are also raising hand. Tell me.
Nutrition which only takes place in living organisms.
Yes, but what is it?
From which we are alive.
Okay, but hey, yes, Shreya, you are also raising hand.
The process of taking in and wait.
It's okay.
Food.
Just say what you know, what you understood. Just tell me that. You don't have to tell me the definition. You can write on the chat window. Everyone who's raising hand, you can write on chat window. Yes, Shreya, you say.
Okay.
No, you can say.
The process of taking in food, taking in food, which takes place in a living organism is called nutrition.
Okay, so nutrition, if I have to say it in easy language, is what? जब मैं खाना खाती हूँ ना और मेरी बॉडी में जो वो खाना चेंज हो जाता है and it gives me energy, in short that is nutrition. That's it. Forget the definition for now, just understand. Nutrition क्या है? You are telling me all the like importance of it, but it's actually me the food that I eat, right? Nutrition कहाँ से मिलता है? मेरे को food से मिलता है ना. So it's the process of taking in food, ingesting it, and then digesting it to release vitamins, minerals, and energy in my body. Okay. So this is the definition that we saw. Nutrition is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vitamins and minerals required for life. Yes? Don't get confused in the definition. If you don't remember the definition, you can just tell me what exactly it is. You can also tell me in Hindi, okay? Acha, next question. What are the two types of nutrition that we have learned? Who will answer? Raise your virtual hand. Okay, 4 participants raising hand. Okay, yes, Shaurya, you want to say?
The two types of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition and autotrophic nutrition.
Wonderful, Shaurya, wonderful. Autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Shaurya, can you tell me what are those nutrition? What do you mean by autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition?
Autotrophic nutrition make own food to eat, and autotrophic nutrition take vitamin minerals to make food.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that, Shaurya. Anyone else who would like to share? Okay, someone who has not shared till now. Okay, Shushti, would you like to share?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Autotrophic nutrition is that when organisms make their own food by the process of photosynthesis is called autotrophic nutrition.
Okay, that is autotrophic nutrition. And heterotrophic nutrition is what?
Heterotrophic nutrition is when the organisms depends on the other organisms for their food is called heterotrophic organism.
Okay, wonderful. Good answers. So what you have told me, autotrophic nutrition, animals and plants, living organisms are producing their own food. Yes? So, and in plants that happens through the process of photosynthesis. That's very correct. And the other category is heterotrophic nutrition, in which animals or organisms depends on other living organisms for their food. Wonderful. So we have done for the plants all the different types of nutrition we saw. Yesterday we started for the animals also, right? So today we are gonna explain the different types of nutritions that are there in animals. So animals cannot produce their own food. So autotrophic nutrition hota hi nahi hai. All the animals, including humans, I've told you humans are also animals, so including humans, we all have heterotrophic nutrition. But in heterotrophic nutrition also, there are different types. So we are going to study those different types today. Okay. Who can repeat what we are doing? Shreya, can you tell me what are we doing today?
We will be learning autotrophic nutrition, their types, and heterotrophic nutrition types.
Okay, so as I said, animals do not have autotrophic nutrition. क्या आपने किसी animal को देखा है like plants making their producing their own food?
Yes.
Which animal have
No.
you seen who produces?
No.
Are you
No,
sure?
no. Yeah.
Okay, so autotrophic nutrition does not exist in animals. So animals में only heterotrophic nutrition is there. ठीक है? So we are doing types of heterotrophic nutrition for animals today.
Okay.
If this is clear for everyone, give me thumbs up, please. If this is clear, give me thumbs up. Okay. If you have any questions, you can come off mute and ask me right now. All right, I see everyone giving me thumbs up. Thank you so much. All right. Let's move forward then. So it's activity time. You will be watching a video. In that video, there are going to be 3 animals who are going to be taking in nutrition. That is, they're going to be eating. Now you have to see and observe first, what is that they are eating? वो क्या खा रहे हैं? And second, how is it that they are eating? वो कैसे खा रहे हैं? ठीक है? These 2 things. What are they eating and how are they eating? So you will be watching 3 videos. Okay. Who can repeat the instructions to me? Ishwari, would you want to repeat the instruction? Come on, try. You're on mute. Ishwari, come off mute.
Write in your notebook what
Animal क्या खा रहे हैं और कैसे खा रहे हैं? ठीक है? Simple. What is animal eating and how is it eating? Okay. All right. So I'm playing the video. Muskan, you raised your hand. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Amrita and Raj, you also raised your hand. What happened?
Didi, but some animals also means they make them like cow, they eat grass.
Huh. How are they making their food? They are eating it, na?
Then plants also depend on sunlight, rain, water.
Yes. But is sunlight, water, minerals organic? As in, is it living organism?
No.
नहीं. But grass, क्या grass living organism है? क्या grass living है? कि dead है?
Living.
Living. So heterotrophic nutrition में organism depend on other living organisms. ठीक है? And autotrophic में they do not depend on living organism. They use inorganic products like sunlight, mineral, water. ठीक है? So always remember, depending on living organism is the key point here. All right. Clear now, Amrita? I can't see you. Clear?
Good morning, miss.
Okay. Arsia, okay, Arsia, you joined late today. Arsia, we are discussing types of nutrition in animals. So I'm going to show you a video right now and you have to write in your notebook what is the animal eating and how is it eating, okay? So let's begin.
We can't hear sound.
Anjali, you can't hear? Okay, wait.
I also cannot hear.
Acha,
Yeah,
wait.
teacher.
also.
Okay, I'm so sorry. It's my mistake. I'll share screen again and you will be able to hear this time. You want me to play from the beginning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly are head lice? They're miniature parasites that live in human hair and feed off your blood. Sounds pretty nasty?
It all starts with a nit that's simply too small and clingy to be seen and disposed of. The parent louse lays it right at the root of the hair. If it manages to stay in place for 7 days, it hatches, bringing about a baby louse or nymph. Such a beautiful name for such a creepy crawler, isn't it? The nymph then starts feeding on your life's blood by attaching itself to one of your hairs and stabbing its tiny yet oh so sharp mandibles into your skin. The teeny weeny hooks on their 6 legs help lice to latch onto your hair and cling like there's no tomorrow. In about 15 to 20 days, a nymph grows into a full-blown louse, which is ready to lay nits of its own. And when it does, well, you get the picture.
All right. So those were the 3 videos. The first video was about amoeba. Who can tell me? What was amoeba eating? How was it eating it? Okay, Shreya is raising hand. Anjali is raising hand. Please raise your virtual hand, everyone. Okay, and I will give chance to someone who has not answered. Come on, you only have to tell me what the amoeba was eating and how was it eating. Okay, Arsia, tell me.
Amoeba was eating some types of food and he didn't eat with his mouth when the food come near it, so it get. Can I tell in Hindi?
Sure, tell me.
तो फिर वो अपनी स्किन बढ़ा के ना वो फूड को है ना अपने अंदर ले लेता है. फिर जब तक वो फूड जब तक मिनरल्स उसको नहीं देता है, जब तक उसको छोड़ता नहीं है, और जब वो हो जाता है तो वेस्ट फूड वो बाहर फेंक देता है और फिर जहाँ पे वो फूड था वहाँ पे एक होल बन जाता है.
Okay, was it whole or was it water? Very good, Arsia. Perfectly you told me how amoeba eats. Ekdam perfect analysis. So it's not a whole Arsia over there. It's actually the water that is left behind, and after a while that also goes away. It's called vacuole. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Wonderful, Arsia. 5 points for you. Anyone else who saw something else about amoeba, or everyone saw the same thing? If you saw the same thing, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Anjali is giving me thumbs up. Anyone else who saw something else? Okay. All right.
Teacher,
Faisal, the rule is you will raise your virtual hand if you want to talk, and you will wait for me to call upon you. So first, please raise your virtual hand, then I will ask. Yes, Faisal, now tell me.
teacher हाथ पैर मुंह नहीं होती.
Yes. So amoeba, I forgot to mention, amoeba is one cell organism.
ये आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.
Only one cell. Faisal, can you hear me?
No.
Faisal. Then how did you hear? Can you hear me? Faisal? Okay. Zainab and Faisal, am I clear? Anjali, can you hear me? Anjali, please sit. You are not gonna lay down. I know you are at home, but please sit in your smart position. You know your brain stops working.
I can hear you.
Okay, you can hear me. So amoeba is a single cell organism. So we have millions and millions of cells. But amoeba के साथ पास सिर्फ one cell है. It is not even visible from our naked eye. We have to see it under electronic microscope. It is that small. That is why it does not have enough cells to have legs and everything. So what it does is it extends itself. उसका जो one cell होता है ना, it extends only that to take food in. Then it digests that food. Once that, okay, someone is not on mute. Please keep yourself on mute. Kef. All right. Okay, everyone, thank you for muting yourself. Please keep it like that. So once that food gets digested, then the waste food, which was not required, is thrown out. Okay, what about the second? What about the spider? Who can tell me about spider? How was spider eating and what was it eating? Okay, 5 people have raised hand. Yes, Misbah.
He eat टीचर उसके जाले को क्या बोलते?
Web. Spider web.
There are spider web, and in spider web,
Bees and house flies. The
bees
it was a house, that
bees थी और वो लोग को पकड़ के खाया.
वो लोग को पकड़ के खाया. Okay. So क्या पकड़ते ही खा लिया मिसबा?
वो लोग को पहले वो वहां से निकाला वेब से, फिर खाया.
वेब में उसको क्या किया? What is this called?
Roll.
Yes. It rolled. It completely rolled the bee in its web. Yes. Once that is done, then what happened?
Then he eat.
Okay. Now tell me one thing, Misbah, you are very right. Do you think that bee was alive when the spider was eating?
No.
No, it wasn't. Very important observation, everyone. This is very important thing to note, that when the spider was eating the bee was dead. The bee had died already. Bee already मर गया था जब उसने उसको उसके वेब में रोटेट किया, इसीलिए किया, and immediately नहीं खाया. I know in the video you saw immediately eating, but it let it stays. So if you see if there is any web in your house, or if you would have ever observed, उसमें they leave it. उसको ऐसे web में rotate करने के बाद, web में wrap करने के बाद में, they leave that animal there, and then when that animal starts decaying, decomposing, that's when the spider comes and eats it. ठीक है? So spider is eating from dead animals. ठीक है? All right, wonderful. Thank you so much for helping me with that, Misbah. What was the last thing? What was the last animal called? उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? Everyone knows the answer. Okay, Shreya. You're raising hand, Shreya. Okay, Rahul and Riya are also raising hand. Rahul and Riya, would you like to share?
Miss, in Hindi we call it Jew.
Very good, perfect. And English में? Lice. Okay, what did you see lice eating?
Teacher, they drink our blood.
Perfect. Drink your blood. Good. So, lice, is lice eating a dead animal or living organism? Living being?
Living organism.
Living. Perfect. So you saw the difference between all three. The lice, it sticks on my head, okay, in the hair. It holds on to the hair very tightly, and then it digs its antlers in my scalp. and then it starts drinking the blood. Perfect. And in the blood, what is there? There is nutrients, food. So that's how it eats. So these are the three types of nutrients, everyone. These are the three types of nutrition, everyone, that we are going to study in today's class. The first one, where you saw the amoeba. Amoeba was eating the food which was outside its body. When it came close to it, it put it inside its body. Then when it was done digesting, it excreted it out. That's called holozoic nutrition. Okay. What is saprozoic nutrition? Saprozoic nutrition is eating from dead animal, dead matter. That is saprozoic nutrition. Amrita and Raj, wait a second. Let me finish, then I'll ask you. So, saprozoic is eating from dead organisms. Okay? Then, what is parasitic nutrition? Parasitic nutrition was of lice. The juu jo hota hai. So, it stays on a host, and host is a living organism, and it takes its food from living organism. Okay, Amrita and Raj, you had a question. Tell me.
Didi, what is you in third video? What was the name?
Lice.
Huh. When in our head there is no lie. No. Then how it comes first?
Okay. So how it comes? It can come from many places. First can be you met someone जिसके already hair में lice है. Yes. So around that person, lice can be there. So you can get lice from them. That's the main reason, main way. And then monkeys को have you ever observed monkeys? वो एक दूसरे के skin में बैठ के कुछ ऐसे देखते रहते हैं. What are they doing? There are different parasites on monkeys like lice. It can be lice also. So they're removing them. Yeah. So it can come through contact. When you are in contact with someone who already has it, then it can come in your hair. But it's a good thing you don't have it. All right.
Teacher,
Yes,
teacher, if we will move, then monkey will hit. When is removed, yeah. When I go to zoo, then I see them. All the monkeys were take outing lice in another monkeys. Another monkey moved and he hit the monkeys.
Oh, okay. So that's just the behavior. I'm not sure, Shreya, about that. I can check why monkeys hit each other and get back to you. Okay, but I don't know. But I don't think it was because it was removing lice. I don't think it was because of that, but I'll check on that and get back to you. Okay. Okay. Now everyone start writing in your notebooks the three types of nutrition. Come on. The first one being holozoic nutrition. The second being saprozoic, and the third being parasitic. Now, hollow means what? Okay, everyone on mute. I can hear background noise. Come on. Hollow means whole, pura. Okay, who is that? Abhishek. Abhishek, where is your notebook? Abhishek, yes, where is your notebook and why are you lying down during class? Okay, I'm waiting for Abhishek to answer me. Abhishek. Abhishek, are you there? Abhishek, I'm going to call you after class now. We're going to have a chat. And I want to see all the notes in your notebook, Abhishek. Okay. Hollow means whole. Whole matlab pura. Zoic matlab related to animals. क्योंकि अभी हम सिर्फ animals का nutrition पढ़ रहे हैं. That's why we have written. That's why there is the word zoic in all. See, saprozoic. So it is related to animals. Sapro means what? Sapro means dead matter. Once you have written all the three down, give me a thumbs up, virtual thumbs up. Muskan, you raised your hand. What happened? Any question? Thank you, Anjali.
No, miss, I have not raised my hand.
Acha, okay. Okay, thank you, Misbah, for giving me thumbs up. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you, Amrita and Raj. Waiting for everyone. Thank you, Shaurya. Thank you, Shivani. All right, we'll move forward now. Let's deep dive into what is holozoic nutrition. Okay, everyone on mute, please. Kev, can you put yourself on mute? Thank you, Kev. Okay. So, holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, animals ingest. Okay, after nutrition, there is a comma. In holozoic nutrition, animals ingest and do internal processing of solid and liquid material. Ingest matlab to take in, to eat. Come on, write it down, everyone. Write down the definition. In holozoic nutrition, animals ingest and do internal processing of solid and liquid material. What do I mean by internal processing? Can someone tell me internal processing का क्या मतलब होगा? From the definition, what do you think is the meaning of internal processing? Two people raising hands. Wait, let me see. Okay, Amrita and Arsya. Someone new. Someone who has not answered till now. Shrishti has also answered before. Okay, Arsya, why don't you go first?
To taking nutrients inside our body and take outing the waste food out.
हाँ, that is correct. Taking out the waste food वो बाद में आता है. सबसे पहले you will eat, ठीक है? Then
Yes.
last step will be you will take it out of your body. बीच में क्या होता है?
Digesting.
Digesting. Perfect answer, Arsya. So internal processing का मतलब है digest. Digest and absorb. So सबसे पहले you digest the food. Digest करने के बाद जो vitamins और minerals होते हैं उनको you absorb also, है ना? वरना तभी तो body में जाएगा, सब digest करने से नहीं जाएगा, right?
Yeah.
So absorb also. That is what I mean by internal processing. Okay. Done writing the definition and the meaning, everyone?
No.
Okay, so right. And give me thumbs up once you are done. Okay, everyone on mute, please. If you don't have any questions, on mute. Okay, everyone's giving me thumbs up. Let's move forward.
Miss, wait.
Okay, Arsya. All right. Now, how will you identify holozoic nutrition? Identify means what? Identify means to find. So animals eat solid and liquid materials and animals excrete. If any animal is doing these two things, it is eating and then it is excreting, then we will call it as holozoic nutrition. This is what we saw in amoeba also. It ate and then it excreted throughout the waste food. Okay, look at the examples over here. You have, what are these animals and birds? Okay, Raj, please tell me, what's the first animal that you can see on screen? What's the animal called? Come on, Raj.
Try.
With what?
Lion. Heterotropic.
Okay, I'm not asking the type of nutrition. I'm asking the name of the animals. Animal का नाम क्या है?
Tiger.
Tiger. Yes, it's called tiger. And Aryan, tell me what's the bird in the bottom called? Aryan?
Peacock.
Peacock. Okay. What is special thing about this animal and bird? इनके बीच में कोई common और special चीज है? Anyone knows? Not related to science? Jyoti and Shrishti raising hand. Yes, Jyoti, tell me.
They are national. Tiger is national animal and peacock is national bird.
10 points to Jyoti. Perfect on general knowledge. Good. Very good. Yes, that's right. And both of them follow holozoic nutrition. They eat and then they excrete. Okay. Next. What about animals? Are animals holozoic? Do they have holozoic nutrition? Raise your virtual hand. Or you know what? Just show me thumbs up or thumbs down. If you think humans are holozoic, give me thumbs up. If you think they are not holozoic, give me thumbs down. Come on. Okay, Arsia says thumb down. Come on, everyone. Yes या no ही answer है. Okay, Aryan is giving me both. Amrita is giving me yes. Okay, Arsia, can you? Okay, Arsia has changed it to thumbs up. Misbah is saying thumbs down. Misbah, why thumbs down?
Because holozoic is animals.
क्या holozoic animal है कि holozoic is a type of nutrition?
Type of nutrition.
तो क्या humans को nutrition चाहिए होता है?
Yes.
Yes. क्या हम humans खाना खाते हैं?
Yes.
क्या उसके बाद हम waste material को throw करते हैं हमारी body से?
Yes.
Yes. क्या holozoic nutrition में you eat and you excrete out the waste?
Yes.
So that makes humans having holozoic nutrition. So इसका answer is yes. Humans have holozoic nutrition. Thank you so much, Misbah. You already knew the answer. Very good. Okay, everyone who said thumbs up, good. And everyone who did not think so understood why humans have holozoic nutrition, because we also eat and we also excrete out the waste. Yes, that's why we also have holozoic nutrition. Let's move forward. Okay, any questions? Is everything clear till now? Okay, someone is not on mute. Can I request everyone to be on mute? Any questions here? We are pausing for like 2 minutes. Good to go?
Teacher, you don't see second definition.
Yes, sure. That's what we are going to do now. We are going to go write down the second definition. But any questions in holozoic nutrition? Okay.
No.
All right. Now this is your saprozoic nutrition. As I said before, sapro means dead matter. And you can write the second definition down as Shaurya pointed out. In saprozoic nutrition, animals absorb liquid material from dead matter. So they are absorbing liquid. Holozoic mein it's solid plus liquid both, but in saprozoic it's only liquid material. And kahan se aa raha hai wo? Dead matter se aa raha hai. For example, you have spider as one example.
Dead tree.
And second
Dead
is
tree.
housefly. Yes, हमने plants के time पे पढ़ा था about cuscuta. So cuscuta takes, no, we studied about mushrooms. Sorry, mushrooms were growing from dead tree. Very good. Yes, yes. So like that. So those were in plants. Now this is an animal. So spider and house. Okay, this is not tree. This is housefly. Sorry, house. Fly. Done writing?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Come on, 5 more seconds. Then we'll move on to the third one. Last one is what? Aryan, what is the last nutrition? अभी हमने पढ़ा था. Parasitic. Okay.
Parasitic.
parasitic nutrition. Yes. So, in parasitic nutrition, animals live on the host animal and derives its food from the host. वो host animal पे रहते हैं और अपना खाना host animal से लेते हैं. Like we saw the lice. There can be two types of parasitic nutrition: endoparasitic and ectoparasitic. Now these are the two new words that you have to remember. Okay, endoparasitic and ectoparasitic. And this is your roundworm. Roundworm goes inside your body. वो आपके body के अंदर रहता है, ठीक है? And जो this is your bed bug. Bed bug lives on your body. It eats from your body. Okay, Jyoti, can I ask you to please sit in your smart position? If you lie down, you will sleep. We're not lying down. Yes, Misbah.
बेड बग को हिंदी में खटमल बोलते हैं ना?
Yes. Perfect. Yes, yes. Come on, we are very close to the end of the class now. Any questions on this slide? Anyone has any questions if they didn't understand anything? सब कुछ समझा slide पे जो भी लिखा है? Okay, now two people are raising hand. Let's see. Who's raising hand? I can't see. Shrishti is raising hand and Misbah. Okay, yes, Shrishti, first you tell me, then I'll ask Misbah.
Teacher, you said that like nutrition, they eat food and then they digest and they absorb, and after that they excrete. In parasitic nutrition, when they eat food, they do not excrete.
Okay, when they eat, do they not excrete? Very fair question. Okay, do you want me to tell the answer or do you want to search?
Miss, I cannot hear your voice.
Okay, okay. Everyone on mute, please. Chalo. That's why I ask you to keep yourself on mute so that you can hear me.
I cannot hear your voice, please.
Okay. Everyone on mute first. Let's put everyone on mute.
I cannot hear your voice.
Okay. Arshia. Okay, Anjali on mute, please. Everyone else on mute. Come on, Kev. Okay, class, we will follow the class rules and make sure that when you are not talking, you are keeping yourself on mute. Kev, come on, sit properly. This is not how we do it. We have to sit in a smart position in class. You know that. Okay, Arsia, can you hear me now? Arsia, can you hear me? Muskan, can you hear me? Give me thumbs up. Okay, perfect. All right. So, Shrishti, this is homework for you. I will tell you the answer tomorrow morning or on WhatsApp. But first, you find out, do parasitic animals follow parasitic nutrition? Do they excrete? Find that out. If you don't have the answer, I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, this is a homework for everyone here. You have to find this out for yourself and then tell me tomorrow. If you don't know, I'll tell you. Okay, if you can't find it, I'll tell you.
What, miss?
Teacher?
Everyone on mute. First, keep yourself on mute. Come on. And now, without permission, you are not unmuting yourself. Raise your virtual hand. Clear? Okay. So, Arsia asked me a question. Shrishti asked me a question. What about animals having parasitic nutrition? Do they also excrete food? Do they throw waste food out? So I told her, this is your homework. You have to find कि parasitic nutrition वाले animals, do they excrete food? Okay, Anjali says thumbs up, it's clear to her. Okay, so that's what we studied now. Holozoic nutrition में they eat and they excrete. What about saprozoic and parasitic nutrition वाले animals? Do they also excrete? Find out. Use Google. Now you have phone and Google, so use Google or try to find in your textbook, or think. Just think. You will get the answer. Okay. No one asked me the meaning of endoparasitic and ectoparasitic.
Teacher, what is graphite?
Anjali, please raise your virtual hand. Come on. You're not following. Yes, Anjali. Now tell me.
Teacher, what is meaning of this?
Yeah, we are doing that next. Come on. So, Misbah, raise your virtual hand. Come on. Yes, Misbah, tell me. Then wait for me to call you. हाँ, बताओ.
What that animal called?
Which animal?
वो बर्ड बग के ऊपर वाला था ना, वो क्या था?
बेड बग के ऊपर वाला राउंडवॉर्म. राउंडवॉर्म. ROUND राउंडवॉर्म.
वो क्या करते हैं?
वो आपकी बॉडी में चला जाता है and then आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम देता है. So it lives inside your body and it eats your internal organs and everything. So it does not eat your internal organ, but it starts sucking on your digestive juices and everything, and you have to get them removed. Then you have to go to a doctor. You start feeling pain in your body near your stomach and intestine area. Then you have to go to the doctor. Doctor gives you medicine and then it comes out. Yeah. So it lives inside your body and it eats. That is what parasites do. Either they will be living inside your body, body के अंदर रहेंगे या फिर body के बाहर रहेंगे. अगर वो body के बाहर रहते हैं, on the surface of the body, we call them ectoparasitic nutrition. ठीक है? Like lice, bed bugs. But if like roundworm, tapeworm, they live inside your body, body के अंदर रहते हैं, तो we call them ectoparasitic nutrition. ठीक है? So depending on where they live, inside endo, outside ecto. ठीक है? Inside is endo, outside is ecto. But they do the same thing. What? What is the same thing that they do? They eat from the host. They eat from the living host. That's the difference. Okay, I will share this presentation with you so that you can make proper notes later. Now let's summarize what we did in today's class. So we started with talking about what is nutrition. Then we went on to define two different types of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Then we started watching videos about an amoeba who was eating food and excreting it out, and we called that as holozoic nutrition. The process of eating solid and liquid food and excreting it out is called holozoic nutrition. Then we saw a spider which was wrapping a house bee in its web, and then once the body started decaying, when the bee died, the spider went, put its antlers inside the bee, and it absorbed the liquid material. It absorbed liquid from the dead bee. So that we called as saprozoic nutrition, absorbing liquid from dead matter. Then we saw the last video in which you saw lice in the head. They got stuck to your hair, and then they put their antlers inside your scalp and they started sucking blood from there. Yes, so the organisms which live on other organism, on host, and they get their food from those hosts, we call them parasitic nutrition, and there are two types, endo and ecto. Living inside, we call it endoparasitic. Living outside on the surface, we call it ectoparasitic. So that's it. Now we are done with nutrition in animals. This chapter is over. On Friday, you will be having a test on this chapter. So make sure you're, wait, Misbah. So make sure you're revising everything, starting from your plants ka nutrition and nutrition in animals as well. Now, Misbah, tell me.
Didi, I am not come to 11 to 12 because there are my sister class, no?
Yes, Misbah, I know that. I will send you the presentations, and I've already sent the videos of 11th and 12th on the group. You saw those videos?
Yes, I saw.
So that is it. So the same thing that I taught in those videos on YouTube is what I taught in class as well. Okay, so don't worry. I will share all the notes with you guys, so you will not have any trouble. So this is the homework for today. Someone please take a screenshot and put it on homework group.
Teacher, I can take a screenshot.
Yeah, Shreya, do it. Come on, Shreya, you can do it.
Okay.
All right. So this is the homework for today. You have to do it and submit it on Homework and Doubt WhatsApp group. With this, thank you so much for joining today's class, everyone. I hope you guys understood and you guys had a good time.
Can you send the PDF?
Yeah, Bindya. Shaurya.
Can you send
Not-
the PDF of today's class?
Yeah, I will send video also. I will send video separately. It will not be in the PDF, but I will send it separately. Yes, Shaurya, you are raising hand. Any questions?
Teacher, you will send homework in school group.
Shreya has put a picture of the homework in the homework group. Okay,
मैंने भी लगा दिया.
please wait for your turn. Shaurya, calm down. You don't have to shout. You can talk normally. Yes? Yes, Shrishti, you are also raising your hand. Shrishti, you're raising your hand.
Yeah.
Yes,
Teacher,
tell me.
which worksheet do you tell?
Okay, so when I was sharing my screen, it was there. On the screen, there were 3 questions. Those 3 questions. Shreya has put it on a homework group. Okay. Yes, Shreya. Tell me.
Teacher, I didn't put a photo on school group. I put it in doubt and homework group.
Haan, chalega. I'll put it on school group. Thank you for taking the screenshot. Thank you, Shreya. I'll put it on school
Welcome.
group. Okay. Any other questions, anyone?
No.
Did you enjoy today's class? Did you understand everything?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Mansi Didi.
Okay, Misbah. All right. And who are the people who did not answer me today? Amrita and Raj, beech mein to you went silent. Why? Why did we not raise our hands? Kef?
Teacher,
Pure
we
time
are
we were muting, unmuting. Why?
teacher,
Yes.
we are raising hand. You will not give to us chance.
Oh, you were raising your hand. I did not. You know what happens when you share your screen? Only 4 people are visible. सिर्फ 4 visible होता है. उसमें से एक आप खुद होते हो. So you can see only 3. And when you can see only 3, so I try to go up and down. But दिखता ही नहीं है कभी कभार. Okay, I'll try
That
to.
You asked that question, na? Ola, tiger and peacock. I
Yes.
know that. You can't see our raise hand.
Yeah, I couldn't see. That's why I tell you ki do that. Like virtual hand mein na. But virtual hand mein if many people are doing, then it says 5 people raised hand. It does not tell me who raised hand. Then I have to go up and down and see कि किसने किया. And up and down में बहुत बार miss हो जाता है. Yes. But I'll tell you one thing. जिसका video on होता है ना वो एकदम top पे आता है. Okay, you guys can go. Today's class is over. If you have any questions, you guys can reach out to me. Okay.
Bye,
Why
miss.
Bhatia Didi and come?
Why
Bye.
they had come? Because they wanted to see and meet all of you. They wanted to see हम online पढ़ाई कैसे करते हैं.
Okay.
Yes. Any more questions? Yes, Kef. Bye. Come on, go.
Mansi.
Yes, Payal.
They left already, no? If any
Yeah.
person has not submitted the worksheet, they can come to school at 1 o'clock. Yesterday. Anybody has missed collecting worksheet can come. I think they all had come yesterday. All these kids had come. What about Shashwat? Shashwat, are you there?
Yeah, Shashwat, I don't think he answered today.
All others had come yesterday. Shashwat, I didn't see.
Shaurya ko I will call and tell. And Shivani, suno. But Payal, वहाँ पे वो नहीं होंगी ना? शिवानी को एक्चुअली टेक्स्ट बुक्स और नोटबुक्स नहीं मिला है, तो कैन यू चेक कि अगर वो मिल जाएगा तो कैन यू टॉक टू सुहानी?
Suhani will not be there because she'll be in the other school, right?
Yes.
Others I would have given them. I could have asked them to come to the school.
We can talk to सुहानी किसी और दिन के लिए and give her books and all,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Teacher, auntie will give them.
अच्छा, auntie will give them. Okay, I'll talk to auntie, but auntie is not in school today.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Chalo jao ab. You have another class in 55 minutes. Go rest. Bye.
Okay, bye.
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 अब I'm ending the meeting, everyone. Kev, पूरे टाइम हम सो रहे थे लेटे, then बीच में डिस्टर्ब कर रहे थे म्यूट अनम्यूट करके, है ना? किधर है होमवर्क हमारा? क्या पढ़ा आज? कुछ पता है? Anyway, bye. I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye, Muskan and Shivani.